Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today will be a bit of a different one because we are going to move the Escort Mk2 to the paint booth. We just picked up the trailer and now we are going to put the Escort onto it and get on the road. So let's go.
Like a drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best high. My body's shaking, shaking every time you get into my mind. Like a fire, burning wild in my heart. Take me far away in the dark. Only you can show me how to come alive.
Just like that guys, we arrived at the painters. It was about a 35-minute drive I think. So the guy that is going to paint the car works here, so we know him. First we are going to tape off the windows and the two doors of the car and then lay some plastic sheets in them so everything is covered up and we can paint the outside of the car with primer.
Like a drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best high. My body's shaking, shaking every time.
The plan was that I was also going to learn how to paint the car. So first the painter gave me some tips and tricks on how to paint and work with the gun. And after that he showed me on the roof of the car how he painted it, because that was a bit difficult to reach. So I wasn't going to mess that up. So after that it was my turn and I painted the sides of the car where the flat pieces are, because that's a bit more easy. And then he took over. But I must say it was a really cool experience to learn how to paint, and I'm really happy I got the opportunity to do so. Just like that, the first coat of primer is on the outside of the car. Plan is to put 2 thick coats on the outside. And I also filmed a little bit of the inside where the paint is mixed. It was pretty cool to learn how to mix the thinners and stuff. And then it was time for the second coat of primer on the outside, just so we have a nice smooth finish to sand it a bit down. Then we started removing all of the covering that was on the doors and the windows, and the painter started painting the inside of the car with primer. Plan was to put 1 coat of primer on the inside and then put 2 thick coats of the paint onto the inside of the car. So that's what you're going to see in the next few clips.
Waiting
Hey guys, a little update. So now the whole of the inside is painted in the color. Firstly we painted the inside and outside with the primer. Then after that we painted the whole of the inside with the color. And now we are busy with sanding down the outside of the car with 600 grit sandpaper. And after that we are going to sand the doors inside and out. We are going to paint the inside of the doors, the bonnet and the rear hatch. And then we are going to put everything onto the car, so the doors, bonnet and the rear hatch. And then we are going to put the whole of the car into the paint booth and paint the color on the whole of the outside of the car. So as you can see, the underside of the boot lid and the two doors are now painted in white. Also the other door and the engine cover are already in the other bay to get sanded, because now we have to sand the top layer of the primer down with 600 grit sandpaper, so you have a nice smooth finish to put on the final top coat. These two panels I already done. The engine lid is already on the car, also done. And I now, as you will see in the next clip, I am sanding the last door with 600 grit sandpaper. So guys, today is finally the day that the car is getting painted. So we put all of the panels on the car and we sanded everything down with 400 and 600 grit sandpaper. And now we are going to paint it in the final color. So let's get on to it. So as you can see, we have taped everything off, and in between the doors and the sills we have put a sort of foam strip all around. So because the inside is already painted, and else you will have a hard paint line, and the foam strip is going to prevent that hard paint line. It's going to do a bit of overspray onto the existing paint in the sills, but it can't also get all the way into the inside that is already painted. So now I'm going to put you on time-lapse or some small clips, and then the next time you will see this car fully painted. So guys, today is finally the day that we are going to pick the car up. The Mark II is painted, and as you can see, I'm sweating a bit, and that's because we just loaded it up onto the trailer, and now we are getting back to our garage. So guys, that's going to be it for today's video. We made a lot of progress. It took a bit longer, but the car is finally painted, and I'm really happy with the results. As you have seen in the few clips I made, the car is really good painted, really nice finish, so I'm very happy with it. So in the next episode we are going to start by installing the wiring harness. And after that we can install all of the interior pieces and the electronics in the car. But for now I want to thank you, because we almost hit 500 subscribers also on the channel. So I say let's get it to 1000 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.